This business has been in my family for 3 generations. Started in 1985. We were a BP distributor. It got to a point where the fleet got too large and it was being inefficient, using 3 different external suppliers, and the labour rates were killing us. So we decided that we'd move everything to an internal. When we got in touch with Levanta, and they sent a representative out who was fantastic in helping us scope out our requirements and needs to set up our workshop. As time went on, Wayne helped us out several times with new pieces of equipment we wanted to add to the workshop. The after-sales backup support has always been fantastic with Levanta. If we've had a problem or a teething issue at all, it's always been attended to quickly and to the best of their abilities. After 14 months of using Levanta equipment, we've been able to measure a 38% monthly cost reduction in repair and maintenance. The other benefit of moving our maintenance in-house is being able to provide more jobs for the local community. Since starting our own workshop, we've added 15 positions into the company. Levanta's helped us achieve less downtime through getting us back to a point of doing preventative maintenance instead of reactive maintenance. Over the last 14 months, we've got the equipment, trucks and trailers back to a standard now where it is only preventative maintenance unless we have a major breakdown. This means we've got more equipment on the road, there's a lot less downtime, and we're a lot more efficient in what we're doing as a company. The relationship we've developed with Levanta so far has been tremendous, and we look forward to continuing that relationship as we grow.